Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to increase your card levels into Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open Hamster Kombat into your Telegram. And after opening the Hamster Kombat, you just simply have to go into this Mind section. Tap to Mind section, and after going into here, as you can see here, this first card of mine, which is CEO, it is into 6th level. Now, in order to increase the level, just simply select the card which you want to upgrade and tap to go ahead if you have the required amount of coins. In my case, I need 3733 coins for this CEO card. Now just simply I'll tap go ahead, and then the card will be upgraded to level 7 from level 6. This way you can also upgrade your cards into Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.